Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to appear offline and change your online status for your PlayStation 5 or PS4 via the PlayStation app on your phone. So you can just get this through the Google Play Store. But once you're signed in at any point in time, you just go to the controller option, then choose your profile. Just select it. It'll bring you to your profile page. And this is going to give you the option for online status. You can see it right here. So let's go to online status, press it, and then you can change to busy or appear offline. So let's go to appear offline, go to done. Now just like on your PlayStation 5, it should show a little hollowed out circle by your name. There it is. That's an indication I'm appearing offline. And then when I sign into my PlayStation 5, I believe I will have to change that status on there, otherwise I'm going to continue to appear offline. So I can just sign in invisible now. My friends won't know. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech health videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.